Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making a Mocha-Oreo Cheesecake. Now it is believed that cheesecake originated in ancient Greece, and historians say that cheesecake was served to the athletes during the first Olympic Games in 776 BC. Romans spread cheesecake around Europe, and centuries later it made its way to the United States. However, we didn't see cheesecake with cream cheese until it was accidentally invented in 1872 by William Lawrence, while he was attempting to make the French cheese known as Neufchâtel. He made this cream cheese. It was wildly popular. He initially sold it under the company name Empire Cheese Company, and he named the cheese Philadelphia brand cream cheese. And Kraft bought the company out in 1928. Alright, let's make some cheesecake. Okay, so we're going to start out with the crust. I've got some Oreo cookies without the filling. I'm just going to be putting it into a food processor. You can also just put this into a Ziploc bag and crush them if you don't have one of these, but I think this is a little easier. We got 2 cups of the crushed Oreo cookies. I'm going to be adding 6 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter. Just be mixing this up, and this is going to be the crust right here. After that, we're going to press it into a pan. Okay, so next I'm going to be pressing the crust into the pan, and here I got a 9-inch springform pan. It is lightly greased up, so all I'm going to be doing here is pressing the crust into its shape. Next we're going to get started on the filling. So here I've got 3 packages of regular cream cheese. Each one is 8 ounces, and I got a cup of sour cream. So I'm just going to get this all mixed together. Next, I'm going to be adding a cup of sugar and 3 eggs. Next, we're going to melt the chocolate chips. And I've got here a double boiler, just a pot of boiling water and then a metal pan over top. And the reason I'm melting the chips in this is if I just do it on direct heat, it's going to burn the chocolate. We don't want that. So I'm just going to pour this in here. And just move it around till it's good and melted. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of espresso powder, and the melted chocolate chips. Okay, so for the last thing for the filling, I'm just going to be adding chunks of Oreo cookies. I just want to fold this in because I want to keep it pretty whole inside of the cake. And after that, we're going to pour it right into our crust and get it baked off. Okay, so the cake is ready, so we're going to be baking it at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, so it's been 50 minutes. And here's the cheesecake. Should be a little bit of jiggle on it, and you should see probably a couple inches, inch and a half of it being pretty solid around the edge. And that's a good indicator that it's done. So I got myself a wire rack here. I'm going to let it cool for a little bit before putting it into the fridge. Then we're going to let it set for a few hours and it should be ready. Also, take this opportunity to take a knife. Just separate the cake as much as you can from the sides. Thanks for watching.